Bugger. Whoa! Whoa! Stop! Stop! What can we do with this? She's broken.
She was born in 1991. Toyota Land Cruiser, we have our fun. Well, I knew once a day they're all losers. Love my 1991 Land Cruiser. Big Toyota Land Cruiser, more grunt than a bucket of spunk. 30 years, she's still going strong. Naturally aspirated. If I had more money, a diff lock I'd give her. Well, the snorkel stops my baby from drowning. A piece of wood for the bumper gets the folks all frowning. Big Toyota Land Cruiser, more grunt than a bucket of spunk. 30 years, she's still going strong. Mitsubishi, Holden, Hyundai, Ford, Toyota Land Cruiser. She was born in 1991. Toyota Land Cruiser, we have our fun. Well, I knew once a day they're all losers. Love my 1991 Land Cruiser. Many years ago, a beautiful thing was made. I drive my Land Cruiser to my grave.
Bugger. She flew to bits. Somebody didn't tighten up the bar, did they? So we've got a bit of gorse to pull out, and I was going to use the Toyota Land Cruiser. She's sitting there in front of us with a boat on the back of her, but she's not going because the batteries are dead and it hasn't been going for ages because we haven't been fishing, because we can't go fishing because we're in lockdown. So next best solution is to try the old Luxie, the old sheep shagger. It's got a winch on the front. I wouldn't be without a winch. Let's go to the low box here. So the idea will be to be downhill, pulling downhill, so we've got the gravity on our side as well as the winch. Our first victim's going to be that little short one right in front of us there. Right there. So we got the winch out this far and it's going real slow, like too slow, and smoke's coming out of here. Something's heating up every time we're trying to use it. Something's not right. So if any of you guys know what that would be, because I don't bloody know, it's like it's really under strain. Something's wrong, because normally it pisses in and out. I used it a while ago, I helped a guy who was stuck, but right now you can smell the electrical burning, eh? That's the job we can't do. We're going to have to get someone to look at that because that's definitely not right. But it's in here. Down in there somewhere. We'll put it back in. Mind your fingers, mate. Just feed it in. There's smoke coming out of it now, look. Jeez, look at the smoke coming out there. Where's that coming out of? Down in here. That wiring's burning down in there. There it goes. That bit of wiring. Fuck me, that's not right. The loom's all melted. That loom's melted, man. It's melted the bloody loom. Bugger. So, you guys that are mechanics, explain to me why that would be happening. That happened before. Short. Bugger if I know. We can't use that though. Bugger. Something always going wrong. Have to ask me mate Daniel at Baytech, you know how to sort it out. Seems to be that a lot of things break down on the farm all the time. Gear breaks down, and while we're on lockdown it's harder because something happens, you can't just go and get a spare part anywhere. So if you are a mechanic or an auto electronic mechanic, what's it called? What's the name for someone that works auto electrician? Yeah, that's the word I'm trying to find. If you're an auto electrician, why would that be smoking? That loom was just about ready to melt, hey? Like it was not flash at all, eh? Ideally we'd use a tractor, but the Land Cruiser, we'll see if we can get it going. See, Land Cruiser's got 24 volt. This has only got 12, so we can't just jumper it straight, but I do have a spare battery. We'll somehow work a way to run 2 batteries in series, like one spare one. Something will happen. So the Land Cruiser's got flat batteries. It's running 2 12 volt batteries in series, making it 24 volt. Here in the Hilux we've got one 12 volt battery. We've just stuck this marine battery in, which hopefully has got some charge in it. So we need a piece of wire going from our negative to our positive to create 24 volts, so we can take a black that's negative off our negative there. Does that make sense to everybody? Don't recommend you try that at home. Fuck, that's dodgy. Dodgy airs, right, we'll see if that's enough tip for it to go. Yeah, we've got some light in there now anyway, we didn't have that before. See if this can do anything. Oh, she's dead. More acceleration! Give it more, mate! Give it more! Stop! Fuck me! That wasn't good. Caught fire. Probably shouldn't have done that. Right, we need another plan, because that one definitely was a dumb idea. And it's melted that battery, and that was a brand new bloody marine battery. Fuck, I do some dumb shit. I'd say we've routed that battery. Bugger. Now we've got one battery down, and we've got still no charge in our truck. It's not going very well, is it? Well, we definitely got 24 volt to the Land Cruiser. The theory was right, but the idea was just fucking stupid on my part, because now I've routed my battery and I still haven't got it going. This has been one of those days where things have gone a bit wrong. There's an old saying that John Wayne used to say. You know that saying?
What was it?
Goes like this, goes, life is hard, but if you're stupid, it's harder. So we've both agreed that was really a stupid thing to do, and to do it again would be even more stupid, and that's exactly what we're going to do. This time we're going to use 2 pieces of wire. Hopefully there's enough current that can go through 2 pieces, it doesn't catch fire this time. I'll keep an eye on it, so if it does catch fire again, we'll stop doing it. Jump in, crank her up. This is dumb. This is really dumb. Started. Right, give us some tit, mate. Oh, she's heating up. We're away. We're away. We got it going. Woo! Come out, mate. Give us a hand. Well, that worked. That worked. Grab the red one. Don't let them touch each other. Grab the red one. Okay, hold on that. Hold that. Don't let them touch. Fuck me. Can somebody tell us this battery's like a brand new battery? Wow, 6 months old. It's now got a hole in the side. If you stick some like fiberglass resin in there, is it going to be okay? Can we use it still, or is it fucked? Looks a bit dodgy. I don't know if that's sulfuric acid coming out of there now or what, but let us know, because I don't know. She hasn't been for a while, eh? What? Probably 3 months. Oh man. All for a bit of bloody gorse. Look at me. It's like a tractor, this thing, eh? Right, we'll have another crack at this again. Oh jeez, no brakes. I don't know what's going on there. Okay. Okay, just give the outer fraction push. Yeah, she's sweet. Let her out. There you go. We'll start with this little one here, down here. And almost there. Yep, good. Got it. Okay, stand back. Let's see how this goes. Because our batteries are dead, I'm going to get Mikhail to give her a wee bit of tit. Give her about 1,000 revs, mate. Yep, far away. Yeti! Yeti, yeah, cracker! Go jump out of there, mate, jump out just in case it ricochets off. Come away. They can snap, when they do they go flying, so we keep her out. It's a bloody lot of weight. Ooh. Get in there, give her a bit of tit. Give her some revs, mate. Kick in the guts. She's coming. Okay. I'll try something else then. Man, it makes you realise how powerful they're rooted in the ground, eh? They don't go anywhere. I'm going to try and reverse the whole truck. See if that'll do something. What's the worst that could possibly happen? Hey! You got off right? Yeah. Bloody good. Oh, Bruno's barking at somebody again. Jeez, it nailed that. Good. Right, this big bastard here, Mikhail. Shut up, Bruno! That'll be fun to get into. We'll just have to do sections of this. Because this is just about impossible to get into, I'm going to use the bulldozer. That there. Okay? That was a brilliant idea. Look, we can get something on those there, and half of them would come out. And there's the ones we cut. Man, we're making short work of this. Probably spreading seeds for miles. Somebody said that the yellow flowers means that they spread their seeds if you do it. But the thing is that gorse is in yellow flower all year round, as far as I can remember. So we did these the other day, and we round up the tops, and had a guy actually say to me that that's the right way to do it. After everybody's saying, no, you don't do this, don't do that. And he's done a fair bit of it. It's pretty dead already, isn't it? Oh, probably because I drove over it. I probably saved it because at the roundup bit's probably broken off, and the root's probably going to go, yeah, we're sweet and grow again. Sweet. Yep, good man, it's the one. Excellent. Beauty. Okay, tuck that in and we'll tighten her up. We're going to put the pressure on. Okay. Okay, take your bead away, mate, and I'll see if we can do this. Oh, yeah. Oh, I love that winch. Okay, mate, take her off. Beauty. Good stuff. Drag that away, bud. To the pile. Good stuff. Up there, mate, straight up to the green waste. Yep, straight up there. Same pile we're putting everything else. Good man. She's taken most of them out by the roots. Some are breaking off. Right, crank into another one, mate. Good enough winch there. Need some more. Pull her out. This works better than the one on the Toyota Hilux, eh? It's the bloody old one. It's like 30 years old. That's enough, mate. It's heaps. Probably more than you need. So the history of this old winch here, it's off my LX 1986 Land Cruiser. I gifted that Land Cruiser to my mate Kev. Hi Kev, if you're watching. Kev was a pig hunter. He was a good bastard, and he hunted with me all the time. And one day I think his wife was not happy about that because we hunted all the time, and he said, listen man, you got to slow down a bit with the hunting because you know it's putting pressure on my family. And I said, mate, you got to look after your family first. So I gifted him my Toyota LX 1986 white Land Cruiser. It had a 3.4 with a turbo, the old B13T, I think that's what you call it, correct me if I'm wrong, and I gave it to him, but there's one thing I took off it was this. So this has been going since 1986, and it's broken more times. You can see I've burnt it out and run it over and pulled it out and rewired it, and I put it on my 1990 Land Cruiser, and it's still going. That new winch on my new Hilux 2013 is already rooted, it's already burning out. See, the old stuff's better, eh? I've never had trouble with this. It's all good to go, mate, is it? Just got to tighten this up. Okay, we'll tighten her up and see how we go. Okay, coming in now. Mind your fingers not too close to it because I don't want to drag you into the spool. Beauty. Yeah, look at that. That's a lot of trees here, is it? Ooh. Yeah, we might have bitten off more we can chew here. Might need a bit of tip. We'll see how she goes. Oh no. Just stand back in case that snaps. No, that's bloody good. Good stuff, mate. Jump out of there. We'll tighten her up. There we go. Ooh. Come on, baby. Go on. Look at that. Beauty. Oh, that stripped it. Oh, we've flayed the gorse. We've cleared everything around here. There's a few sticky bits we're going to run the truck over, but she's just smashed it, isn't it? They're all out. So I'll get you to cut those, and I'll just drive over these stalks, these last bits here, but everything's gone. Right, I'm going to mow these over a few times. Oh, sounds pretty rough. I think you guys can understand why I love the old Toyota Land Cruiser. What the hell's that? Whatever it was, it doesn't matter. Because she can handle it. She can handle the jandle. This old Toyota Land Cruiser, it's like bloody 30 years of age. Oops, that's the right way to go. That way there. And I get arseholes. I use it for hunting, my boat, use it on the farm as a bloody bulldozer, towing trailers, towing caravans, And now today, mowing down gorse, pulling it out with the winch. It's just a fucking great truck. Can handle it. Smash stuff. I'm going to ram this stuff up here in front of me now. And it's just no trouble at all, eh? Absolutely piss bowl it. I'm having fun, man. I'm having fun. That just smoked that lot of gorse. It's gone. It's gone. She's gone, man. Oh, good fun. Righto. Okay, I'm being a bit silly. I have been a bit silly on this clip, which I make no apologies. I hope you enjoyed it. We've had a pretty full-on day. Hey, Mikhail. Yeah. That's awesome work, bud. I'm just saying to everybody who had a pretty good day, eh? Yeah. They're full on. Hope you enjoyed the video. We appreciate you watching us, and we'll see you in the next one. Be good. If you can't be good, be like he always is. See you later. Take it up here. Up here before.
She was born in 1991.
Oh man.
Toyota Land Cruiser, we have our fun. Well, I knew once a day they're all losers. Love my 1991 Land Cruiser. Toyota